So I came across Phil in the loan broker network, actually by accident. I was working with another company, but they were charging way too much money. And I was like, there has to be, something either more efficient and more inexpensive or whatever the case is. So I ended up coming across Phil, and it was a ton more value for a lot less money. So it was a no-brainer for me at that point. I believe in the power of proximity, so being around information definitely helps it stick a lot better. When you have people like Kevin and Omar in your Rolodex, you hang out with guys like that, you're not really, there's not much I can really say negative about that when you're rolling with people who do this. So I think that was social proof enough. It wasn't information overload, but it was a lot of great content, a lot of great information. And it's definitely fired me up to go back to Atlanta and continue hitting the ground running, man. I'm ready to get after it. Event, I think really just seeing it can be done is the aha for me. Other than the information piece, there's nothing that really distinctly separates me, from these other great individuals like Phil, Kevin, Omar, other than the information. And they're giving me the information. So at that point, the next big thing is for me just to execute, go out and do it. And with the support that they offer, the execution piece is extremely easy. So you have to literally just not want to do it in order to, not be successful. Made a ton of connections. Actually set my iPad around the room, told everybody to put down their email, phone number. I believe in collaboration over competition. So us working towards the same goal can always help us get there a lot faster. I don't have to try to, steal leads. There are a million leads, a billion leads out there. So if I think all of us can help one another continue to grow and retain the information collectively, I think we'll definitely have a better outcome as a whole. My goals, I think, have become a lot more practical with steps. At first, it was like this huge, big, grand idea, and it was just kind of scattered. But now I'm actually starting to be able to put the pieces of the puzzle together and see, I guess the bigger picture or thinking bigger. Shout out to Omar, thinking bigger. It's a real energy. It's not people who are putting on. They're actually here, I feel personally, because they enjoy having a good time. They enjoy making a lot of money while they have a good time. And they enjoy learning, making a lot of money, and having a good time. Emphasis on having a good time. Whenever you're having an event with a bowling alley and an arcade room and pool tables and pools outside, all of that good stuff, and you can still get the information in a digestible way, I think you definitely have a market niche that's going to be replicated really, really soon.